Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Microsoft Apps Not Opening Fix 0x803F8001 error in Windows 11, 10. First method is wsreset. Second method is sign out and sign in again. Third method is Reregister WindowsStore apps.
I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.